Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today you join me about to go for a dig and ride. So I found this little spot last week which I think will be perfect. I've got the mini shovel in my backpack. I'm gonna try and put a little lip into it, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, see you back on the GoPro in a minute. We're having to put up with this tree and new motor combination. I mean, I'll show you more of that next week on next week's video, but I've set the power to 25 kilowatts and it's absolutely ridiculous. We'll go from 30, 67 miles per hour that quickly. So I'm in the woods now. Looks pretty quiet. I purposely chose the afternoon. Try and find the little spot that I was gonna go and dig. Okay, so it seems it's just round here. But yeah, it has a lot of potential. It's already a big bank that you can jump, but I've just got to dig a little bit more of a lip into it and make it something where you can actually take off on without having to compress. Where is it? Okay, we're heading straight towards it. Thank you. So with the new additions to my bike, I have added quite a lot of money to it. But it's definitely worth it. I have to do a full review video, obviously, but the motor is amazing. And so I was just traveling at an average speed of about 55 miles an hour to get here. It's still only at 40 degrees Celsius. That was with me using 23 kilowatts power in bursts to accelerate. So my old motor would only tolerate about 17 kilowatts of struggle. I think I can see the spot in front of me. You do have to go quite far into the woods to get to it, but it's worth it. So, maybe a little log hop here, let's see. Whew. Not as little as I thought it was. But this is definitely my spot. I'll get the tripod out and show you guys what I'm talking about. Oh, it looks wetter than it did before. Oh no, I think I came from over there. Where was the spot? Here. This is it. So, this is what I'm talking about. My plan is to build a lip here, scoop a bit of dirt away and use this part here as a landing, and you've got a nice straight run up, which is great. I'll quickly give it a little test to see how much I think it needs out of the face, but I'm sure it's quite a minimal amount. Yeah, we're Gucci. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna set the phone up on the GoPro, set the phone on the tripod, and we'll get working on this. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna use here to dig this is this portable shovel. So it comes in a little bag like this. Take it out, you unfold it, and it forms this really nice sturdy little trail shovel that you can take with you. So what I'll do is I'll leave a link in the description where I bought this. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like £20, which is really good. And yeah, handy for doing this type of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get digging and put you on a time lapse. Okay, so here's the running. What I ended up doing was just taking a bit of material out here, smoothing it down. I think here just needs a touch lower. Doesn't look like much on camera, but if I stand at the bottom, out of breath. Yeah, it's considerable hill, and then you take off here, and the aim is to land on the back side of this. Now this might need some work as well. Got a little berm going around the tree. That'll dig a natural rut, but yeah, I'm just going to take a little bit more material out of this area here, and yeah, let's go on with it. There we go. So we have a really long run up here, and then I've just sunk that down a bit to give us a nice lip. So now what I'm going to do is put you on the tripod and I'll send it. What I've just dug, I can hear some people shouting. Someone's probably lost their dog. I haven't got my goggles on at the moment because I'm halfway through digging, but oh, that is butter. I think I might need to extend the landing. We've got a stray doggy here. I thought he was going to steal my camera stuff. Belgian Malinois, they're a lovely dog. Let's just ride over it a few times, flatten it a little bit more. Oh, that's lovely. That is a beautiful jump. Okay, I'm gonna map out the landing. I think it's here, and measure it, and then build a bigger one next to it. Okay, so what I've done is I've dug this one out. Now if I show you, you land here, so that's probably a good 20 feet or 25 feet, but I've also dug a bit of a lip here, so it's a step up. The ground gets higher here, that's actually the jump point, and with this you land there, but you go higher, so you've got more time for tricks. So what I'll do now is I'll give it a go and put it on the tripod and see how it looks. Every ride, like within 20 minutes the chain is stretched, and then this happens. So if anyone knows a good chain, let me know, because I'm getting fed up with having to put up with this. It's not even that bad. Here, look. This chain was tight when I left the house, and I've rode this for about, well, let's see, 4.5 miles, and it's like that. So yeah, let me know. So guys, I'm actually voicing over the video now because I had to cut the day short. My chain kept coming off of every bump, every jump. So I've ordered a new chain. I've ordered a UW ring chain, which should keep the lube in and also keep the dirt out. So it should resist stretching a lot more. My friend did recommend me one. He has the same sort of power setup as me. But yeah, like I said, next weekend, I'm going to be reviewing my new 72 volt battery that's capable of 28 kilowatts. And then also I've got the Socian FW02 Talaria motor. So I'll do an overview of that. Really impressed with them both so far. Next week, we've got a couple subscribers coming down. We've also got Mac Francis coming down, so we're all going to head out for a ride. It's going to be great. There should be about 8 of us. So if you don't want to miss out on anything like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave me a like and a comment in the comment section below.